driving your train? What train are you on?
Hero.
Hero?
Victor.
Oh, you're on Victor? Is this your train? 4 cars, right? Is that your tender behind you?
Wait. No tender.
No tender? That's the caboose, huh? Where's the passenger car? Who is it? Annie or Clarabelle? You think you should go ask Grandpa to get on come and ride on your train? Grandpa, he's got something to ask you.
Grandpa do what?
He wants you to come and ride on the train.
Oh, it's a train riding kind? Oh,
Grandpa
Grandpa.
rode on the train earlier.
Oh, he did.
Oh, yeah. Oh, boy.
Here comes Grandpa. He's
You
going to
sit
ride
in
on
front.
Clarabelle.
I'll sit back here. Right there? Is that where I belong? Okay. Here comes Grandpa.
He's on the train. Toot toot. Are you going to ride, Hero?
Yeah, he's gonna be the.
Chugga chugga. He's the conductor,
Yep.
the
You
engineer.
gotta get up on the chair. We gotta get going here. All aboard!
Chugga chugga.
I'm doing P-Rose.
And then the
You're going to the steam.